What we gonna do today is I don't know. I do know. I do. Step number 1, open and unlock the door. Step number 2, turn the lights on. Step number 3, welcome our guests here to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. Run an intro. How y'all doing? Forgot what I was gonna say. I guess we, me, I don't have a mouse in my pocket. I guess I call you we, and you right there. No, not you, the other one behind you. I bet how many of y'all turned around and see who was behind you? I got 2 of these. They original first run copies of the Blue Bike and Doors channel. That's on the back, big one on the back. This is on the front. Limited edition first run. I got 2 of these, but think about it, they medium. So if you got your kids might wear them, or your old lady might wear them. I don't know, unless you might be a little skinny and can wear a medium. But I got 2, so 2 people are gonna win, and I'll tell you how. Rolling, round them doggies up, raw, rolling. Hey, did y'all get a sensational awareness? You know, you hear a motorcycle go down your street. Somebody went down, turned around, and then came back by the house. I went to the end of the road and turned around and come back. I was like, oh, I got a motorcycle friend looking to ride. Oh, me. Maybe, I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. I did meet one guy coming out this road one day. He's like on a heritage, big bearded guy. And, yeah, I don't know who he was. Maybe he was just looking for a road to ride. Ooh, loose gravel. That last storm that came through ran a lot of debris out in the road. I mean, a lot. That was two weeks ago, and it's still out in the road. It wasn't this driveway either. It was the next one up here, next 2. Hey, there's your motorcycle friend. How you doing? There was 2 of them up there. Uh-oh, he gonna come get me. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to the south. We'll see if he stops. Hi, good. Like that color.
I see you go by all the time.
Yeah.
Live down off Club Lake, or?
Yeah, right. That double wide on the before you get to
Right there,
by James. Yeah, it's sitting a long way. Got the shed in the back and all. I thought I just heard you go down the road, didn't you?
What?
Did I just hear you go down the road?
Yeah, on that road king I've got.
Oh, okay. I just heard it. I was getting dressed. I was like, all right.
Yeah, I've got a road king I'm selling to a guy, and I gotta go get a battery for it, so I figured I'd ride mine.
Were you AutoZone or somewhere?
What?
Where you got to get a battery from?
I gotta go up to O'Reilly's.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, yeah.
Yeah, James doesn't have one.
All right, well, I'm going to go to Hobo Freight, Harbor Freight. Have a good one. Yeah, you too. Daydreaming, yeah. Well, I told you where I was going. I'm gonna go. This is a venture to go get Harbor Freight. Hey, your mama, damn. I think it was a Theo Travel. He noticed. He said, "We got a that's called the mayonnaise or the fog line. The white line called the fog line, the white line fever, whatever you want to call it. We call it the fog line, so you can see it at night when it's foggy. Some people call it the mayonnaise, and this is called the mustard. But he wanted to say, how do you supposed to pass with a something like that? I get the question. A solid yellow lines mean there's no passing. So you come up on a hill right here, you can't see over the hill, so the government thinks you ain't smart enough to know when to pass and when not to pass. See, all right, now we got the dotted line on this side. That means it's clear for us to pass if it was clear to go. Alright, it should flip down here going the other way. See, now we got the solid and they got the dotted. That means they clear to pass. It's just because our government don't think we smart enough to pass without killing ourselves. Now we know. But anyway, we are headed down to Hobo Freight.
Sunrise hums, the road calls his name. Doyle fires a blue seal, riding just the same. With her 3 wheels rolling right behind, through the winding roads, chasing good times. Old hands barking, ready to ride. Leather and chrome, freedom by his side. Southern cruisers, burning daylight riders too. Wherever the rubber meets the road, he'll see it through. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Oh, behind the house, he's got a shed full of dreams. Hobo freight treasure stacked up to extremes. Tinkering and cussing, making something new. A little bit of mischief, a whole lot of blue. Both the bridle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue biking.
Now you gonna work. Well, since you're working, hey, there you are. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that my little soundtrack. I'm working on something else, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks to back road rider, old Joel. He's the one that turned me on. Made that one. He's a songwriter. That truck behind me come over in front behind me, and now look how close he is. Just look at him. Just look at him. The mirror, y'all watching them on. Y'all got my back, don't you? I believe he's in a hurry. Whew. People like that scare me. The whole town of Carrollton can't drive. GoPros, well, I don't do that because I can. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's one brave man on a bicycle on this out here. Where do you think you going? He's gonna try to cut in front of everybody. Hey, can I get in? Hey, can I get in? Hey, look over here. Can I get in? I'm so impatient, I can't wait in line. So I'm gonna cut in line in front of you. Thank you, ma'am. Now watch her get up to the red light, and it'll change yellow and she'll stop. Somebody. Nope. Well, I don't know what's going on. Somebody got my parking place. Oh, wait a minute. I can do that. Pull in there. think they got a sale going on today too. I get a free gift with no purchases or any purchase. I think everybody else got to pay so much, got to buy so much. I think I was trying to figure out which way I want to go home. Oh me. But I decided to get y'all something. Somebody that's gonna win something. Well, we'll see you when we... There's another C10. Everybody got their C10s out. That's a 70 miler C10 over there. That blue one a while ago was pretty sharp. It was like a late 60. That's an early... That's a 70. The other one was 60, I believe. See, there it goes. Well, I had a good... I was gonna roll. I was coming in and open the door, and was gonna come in riding in, and so well we made it back. But my GoPro died because it said low battery, and then when I turned it back on, it said it had 21%. But anyway, we made it back. We're gonna do a Hobo Freight haul. You go in for one thing, and you come out with an arm load. So we'll dive into it, see what we got. Alrighty. I didn't really get that many stuff, but I got $82 worth. I'll show you this. This is what I went to get. A wire power, US General wire power back rack, wire power whack. That's a wire power whack from US General. That's what I went and get. And then I seen this. You know I gotta buy it because it's quality. Right there, baby. It's my hammer. This is my 3-pound little sledgehammer. Might be cool. We can heat and beat with it. Yep. I got a straight razor because it's from Pittsburgh. Not a straight razor. What did I say? A stainless steel ruler. Because you never know when you need a straight line. And then, yeah, I was just wanting stuff, I guess. I got this because it got my name on it. It's a Magnetizer, a Demagnetizer, or a Magnetizer. You put your screwdriver and stuff on there, and it's got a lifetime warranty. Well, like, I guess you pull the key thing out, I guess. Just try me. How? Lifetime guarantee. So I got that. Like I said, why not? I got 2 of these. So these are Hawkbill flip knife. It's a Hawkbill. I got them because I got my name on it, and this is gonna be a giveaway later down the road. Yep, I got 2 of those, so there's 2 people might win one of these. Not today, oh, Hawkbill. Hawkbill. They gave me a... And I needed a punch and chisel set. Did I need it? Nah. But I got it. Yeah, I got it. Well, that's all I got. And this is free. This was free because I'm a member. It's 40 square inches. It's a 72 by 80. 72 inches by 80 inches. That's a queen size mattress, I think. But I got one. I don't know what will be moving, but we got one. They make good dog blankets. But I don't have a dog anymore. But anyway, but it's good to cover stuff up and stuff like that, I guess. So, yeah, I got it. Because it was either that or ratchet strap. I didn't need a ratchet strap. Remember, you have to go. I told you to stay tuned to the end, but I lied. It's in the video how to win these shirts. There'll be 2 winners. So first 2 that correct it right, that answer the question right, gets a medium. It's a medium, sorry. So your kids or your old lady might wear it. Anyway, you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll see what comes up next.